If you want to know how I achieve this look, guys, kindly watch from the beginning to the end so you know how to achieve yours, most especially if you are a new beginner, guys. This look is very perfect. Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching this video from. If it's your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, guys, do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button and leave the comment in the comment section. And if you want more of this look, guys, let me know in the comment section, guys. Thanks so much also to my returning subscribers. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching this video from. If it's your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, guys, do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button and leave the comment in the comment section. And if you want more of this look, guys, let me know in the comment section, guys. If you want to know how I achieve this look, guys, kindly watch from the beginning to the end so you know how to achieve yours, most especially if you are a new beginner, guys. This look is very perfect for those of us who doesn't love that makeup that much. This one is really natural, as you can see, without hesitating, guys. Thanks so much also to my returning subscribers. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Hello, guys, how you guys doing? Good morning. We are on another makeup tutorial. It's a Sunday morning, in case you are watching it during the week. I actually filmed this video on a Sunday. You can see, you can take coffee with me, take it with me. So guys, what I'm doing there, I'm trying to make the eyebrow to be more natural. So I'm using a mattifying. You can use any mattifying primer, provided it's not a liquid mattifying primer. Yes, guys, you have to allow the mattifying primer to dry in so you can actually fill in your eyebrow. Okay, I didn't draw this eyebrow on camera. I normally draw my eyebrow, so if you want to know how I draw this eyebrow, I have a new video of it, so you can easily watch it. Go back and watch and know how you can achieve yours. So guys, I'm going to be setting it now. As you can see, I already applied my contour. Since it's not too visible, let me just put in this furrow a little bit. I actually use MAC, so don't get it wrong. I just want it to be a little bit darker. Body that love it.
So guys, I apply my foundation and my eyeshadow off camera.
So guys, I'm going to be applying I'm going to be setting with my Revolution Bake and Sets. Is a 2-in-1. Is a 2-in-1 product. You see, I'm setting it. Just dip it in and dust it inside. Do not pack it. Just so guys, I'm going to be setting the whole of my face with a MAC NC42. Yes, it's NC42. So I'm going to be blending everything together. The nose part, I'm going to be using this shade. Don't want it to be much. I don't want it to be much, guys. I'm going to be using the bigger one now. I'm using a product of Nifab, guys, in case you've not seen me using this. So guys, I'm going to be using this pen. I don't actually remember the place where I bought this pen from. You can see it. So now I'm going to be applying my lashes. I'm not going to be using my under eyelashes today, in case you're watching the video for the first time. So first and foremost, I have to apply my mascara, which is my tradition on a makeup tutorial. So guys, as you can see, I actually apply one off camera, so I'm going to be applying this one for the sake of those who see struggle on how they can apply their lashes. So I'm going to be applying this one here. I'm sorry guys, I'm not telling you what I use to apply my lashes. I don't use lashes glue. At times, most time I use bond, because bond work time to wait. There is no that time to wait. So I'm going to be setting. Use the remaining one to touch my forehead. Okay guys, so I'm going to be applying my blush. I'm going to use this coral shade and this ticket pink. I'm mixing it together. You just make it to be warm. You just make it to be warm, guys. Not much, as you can see, because it's a shimmy, and we are going to be highlighting as well. So SLAY. So before it dries up, guys, I want to line my lip. This is what I'm using. It's a Quest. I actually bought this on AliExpress. My setting spray before I apply it. So guys, I'm going to be using this nude. I'm going to be using this nude, and I top it up with a lighter one, just to brighten it up. I just want to brighten it up. So guys, I'm going to be applying my highlighter. I'm going to be applying my highlighter, guys. I just bought this brush from what's it called? Obvious. So I'm going to be using this shade here. Guys, can you see that? And the brush was on sale, so I bought it. Guys, what did you think? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So guys, I'm going to be applying the highlighter on my nose area. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh. Guys, can you see my leg? Can you see my leg? Guys, let's unveil. I'm having a bun bend. Mine is not bun straight, it's called a bun bend, guy. Bun straight is on board now, but I'm using the bun bend. A highlighter to make it okay. You can see the effects. So guys, I'm going to be using this deep gold, this deep shimmy gold here, guys. So guys, I have this my stretcher brush. I'm just using it to comb it. Yes, this is my bun bend. This is my bun bend, guys. My bun bend is on board. My bun bend is on board. Do not hesitate to share among your friends, share on all your social media platforms, and you can also follow me on my IG and my Facebook page, and also on Twitter, guys. I will be leaving my handle on the intro so that you guys can follow me if you are interested. We can be friends not only on YouTube, we can also be friends on other social media platforms. As a social media influencer, you have to work on every social media platform you have, guys. So guys, you can see that I use that hot brush, to comb it out. So this is the final look. Here you can see the way I'm looking, guys. Is this not beautiful? Is this not beautiful? Yeah, absolutely, yes. It's super dope. Super. Thanks so much. Until you meet again.